Hello, so today we are going to find the derivative of f of x is equal to 9 x raised to 10 plus 8 x raised to minus 10 plus 12. Here we are going to use the power rule of the derivative. I am writing the power rule. If f of x is equal to x raised to n, then according to power rule, f prime of x means derivative of f with respect to x will be n x raised to n minus 1. This rule we are going to use here. So in our case, f prime of x will be equal to 9 is a constant and it is in the multiplication. So we will keep it as it is 9. Now x raised to 10. The derivative of x raised to 10 according to power rule will be 10 x raised to 10 minus 1 plus derivative of 8 x raised to minus 10. So 8 is a constant which is in multiplication, so we will keep it as it is. So 8 times minus 10 in front of x and x raised to minus 10 minus 1 and plus 12 is constant and which is alone, which is not in multiplication with any x. So its derivative will be 0. Now derivative is done. We just need to simplify this. So 9 as it is. Here 9 times 10 would be 90. So 90 x raised to 10 minus 1 will be 9 plus 8 times minus 10 would be minus 80 and x raised to minus 10 minus 1. Minus 10 minus 1 would be minus 11 and there is no need to write 0. So this is 90 x raised to 9 minus 80 x raised to minus 11. This is our derivative of f with respect to x.